Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about BMO Bank's mobile app. Yes, BMO Bank does have a mobile app, which is called the BMO Digital Banking app. It's available for both iPhone and Android devices. The app is designed to make banking on the go quick, easy, and secure. Once you've downloaded the app and registered for digital banking, you can sign in with your debit or credit card number and password. The app also offers quick sign-in options like Face ID or Fingerprint ID. With the BMO Digital Banking app, you can manage your finances right from your smartphone. You can view your account balances and transaction history for all your BMO accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, mortgages, and investments. The app also lets you transfer money between your accounts, pay bills, and send money to friends and family with services like Zelle. A popular feature is mobile deposit, which allows you to deposit checks by simply taking a picture of them with your phone's camera. You can also monitor your spending habits, set a budget, and track your financial goals with tools like BMO Total Look and BMO Insights. The app also includes security features like turning your debit card on and off and getting real-time alerts for account activity. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.